Looks like a 67 GTO. AMX. Panel truck. Z28. Kind of a Buick. Some more vehicles over there. I can get all the information in this yard. So we got a Roadrunner, 55 two-door panel, a Roadrunner, Dart, Ford over there, Fleetline here, some more in that corner, some more in that yard over there. This is over here in Oklahoma. Right next to the Valero. I'm fueling up and I find classics. I'll get a hold of the person with this yard. We got a Studebaker truck. Like to know what's going on with that Z28, the panel truck. AMXs are worth something, but definitely want to see what's going on with this 67 GTO. It could be a 66. I can't see the back. It could be a Tempest, but that's the last thing I would like to think of. Classic finds. Y'all stay tuned. We need them. Keep them alive. Old Ford truck.